Hi there, friends. So today we're checking out the Brother monochrome laser printer. It's the all-in-one laser. Did I mention laser? Okay. So we're unboxing this thing. It's got Wi-Fi, AirPrint, Mac setup, all that good stuff. So I was tired of paying a fortune for ink, and I don't really need color printer. So basically I went ahead and was kind of researching, and this seemed to be pretty good reviews on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Okay, so this one does it all pretty much except for color. You can fax and scan, not that anyone really needs that anymore, but okay, so repackaging instructions. I don't know if I need that or not. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box here, shall we? I think you guys got a better view than I do. Alright, so here we go. On the top look like some instructions here. Alright, so quick setup guide, drum unit and toner cartridge, telephone line cord, Brother installation disc. Alright, it sounds like it could be a fun one. So remove the packaging materials and install the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly, load tray in the paper in the tray, connect power, push the power button, connect the telephone line. I don't really need to do faxing, so okay, so it seems pretty basic. Kind of want to get this thing out of here. Alright, so there's that. Came with a toner cartridge. I bought a separate one. So these, you know, like my old HP printer, just for a little cartridge like this big, it was running like 45, you know, almost $100 for one black and white, one black one and one color one. So that's way too much. I'll pick up one of these kind of toner cartridges for about 20 bucks. So not bad compared to like $100. And these things should last quite a bit longer. Alright, so that's some of that. What else we got here? There's, oh, buried in there we got the other cable. Okay. We're just gonna pause it and I'm gonna take it out of the box here real quick. Alright, so there we go. That is looking pretty nice actually. I'm just going to undo all the little plastic tags they have on here. Then might have to do a demonstration video of how to set this thing up. So come on, where's that actually going? Alrighty, so I think that should liberate this. There's your scanning area if you want to scan and fax. What's this little thing going to? Does that fold out or? Not sure. Where's that going to? I don't know. It's going back into there. Okay, so this probably pulls out just like that. Okay. Alright, so it looks like that's where our toner goes, in there. So we're gonna actually do maybe a little bit more than just an unboxing on this bad boy. Okay, we're gonna remove the packaging materials and install the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly. So this video is including that, I guess. Here we go. What if there's a little easy open rip tab on there? This is nicely vacuumed in there. And yes, it does have one of those. Okay. Okay, so here is the toner cartridge here. And it says remove the orange part. So obviously it has an orange part here. That's what we're going to remove. Just like that. Okay, and then which way does this go in? Well, that's upside down. It doesn't really say. Remove the orange part. Okay, it's showing the picture like this. So I assume I'm just going to put it in there then. Let's see, this does not look too complicated, but we'll find out, I guess. It just says to push it in there. So what just happened here? Yep. That's obviously not right. Okay, it says press firmly. Well, I don't want to press too firmly and then have it break, you know? I wonder if there's like multiple ways you can put this in here. It just seems to slide right in there and then, oh, okay. Just like that, I guess. This should shut back up. I'm not sure what this little is. A little paper tray here. I guess you can feed papers into there. Okay. What do we have here? Another little flip out thing for paper. All right. That's how you put the ink toner cartridge in there. So I'm pretty excited to use this. You know, I don't really print out a whole lot of stuff, and mostly when I do, it's just like, you know, paperwork that doesn't require any color. So that's why I went with the laser. I was like, I want the cheapest thing with the ink is not just gonna make me go broke. So I picked this up for $140. Well, $139.99 Amazon. And looks like it's going to work pretty good. I'm going to be doing a setup video here and then a review possibly later on. So thanks for watching the unboxing slash how to put in your ink toner cartridge in a laser printer. All right, my friends, we will see you when we do the review. Thanks for watching.